Hey, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about appearances and how you can change all of that good stuff in Xcode. So I'll start off with the simplest one. If you would like to change your computer to dark mode, you can see this is all dark. All you have to do is open up System Preferences. What I'm going to do is hit Command and Spacebar and type System Preferences. Hit Enter, and that'll pull that up. And then I will go ahead and hit General. And you can see right here, there's a dark and a light and auto. If you want it to change depending on the time, you can set it to auto. If you want it to be lighter, I'll show you what that looks like. This is what it would look like lighter. And if you like it in dark mode, which is what I prefer, it'll look like this. So that's dark mode. Next, I'm going to be talking about changing the themes inside of Xcode. If you go up to the nav bar in Xcode, click on Xcode, and go to Preferences. You can also hit Command, comma. Then click on the tab Themes. You might be on a different tab, but just make sure you're on the Themes tab. Then you can see all the different themes. This will change the color of different keywords. So, for example, default is much brighter. It's white background, different colors, etc. You can go through all of these and decide which one you'd like. Most people I know use dusk. And that's all the appearance changes I have for Xcode. I prefer to keep Xcode darker because when I'm looking at something all day, I don't want it to be shining bright in my face. Let me know which one you prefer, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.